Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we have an unboxing. Two unboxing aircraft. I'm sorry I didn't even make a video because we had travel to Peru from December 23rd to the 4th of January, but I have filmed on a camera and I didn't film on the phone and I bought a new phone. So yeah. So right here we have oh yeah, and I made a video of from Lima to Miami, and Miami to Dallas Fort Worth, and from Dallas Fort Worth to Boston. Yeah, on a camera. So I'll upload it tomorrow or Sunday. I don't know, or Monday. So right here we have a Copa Airlines 737-800. In the FIFA livery. So, and then right over there, it's an American Airlines 777, which I bought from Miami. It cost me like $12. And then we have a 737, Southwest 737 MAX 8 that I had, but they're still grounding. I don't know why they're not flying. But Copa Airlines, they made the MAX 9. And then I have this retired of Delta Airlines 747-400, which I made in my other channel. So yeah, probably I'm going to need not delete, but I'm gonna move my videos to my new channel. Like, yeah. Well, some of them I'm gonna delete them because there was a I don't know, but let's get started. So this is the front. It says SkyMarks Aircraft World, and then SkyMarks. Oh yeah, right here says no glue required. Steer skip model. Simple snap fit design. Connect them all. Start your connection with the airplanes you have flown on, and your connection with aircraft from around the world. Authentic markings displaced and included durable plastic material. And then right there, that's how you do it. This obviously licensed by Boeing. So I'm gonna open up. So there you go. So like that. But it doesn't come with the Swiss scimitars. So I have a pencil right here so I can point at it. So right there, if you can see the cockpit. And that one, is the Starlines door. Starlines member and logo. and then the door, and then it says Copa Airlines. And the windows, the emergency exit, the engine, the winglet, and that one says in Spanish. And then the flag of Panama, and the other door for the emergency. And then the logo of the soccer of Panama. And then we go to the back. This the back. The side. So right here we saw also the logo of the back, and then the door, the Panama flag, and the windows, the emergency exit, the engine, the wing, the winglet, and the Copa Airlines logo, and the door over there, and the Starlines logo, and the cockpit. So, and then right here says, oh yeah, this is the front. Right there says Copa Airlines, a Starlines member, Boeing 737-800, scale 1 to 130. I mean, it looks so good, so cool. And the wing. To me, it looks like that kind of that you see over there. Kind of looks like United. United Airlines has the same Starlines logo and the wing, but they have the split schematized winglet and also Copa. So yeah. So if you search on Google the original logo of Copa Airlines and the 737-800, just search it. It's on Google, and with the split schematized, it's right there. So right now we're gonna open this American Airlines. So right here it says Daring, Jackass Metal, Authentic Livery, the American Airlines, and the airplane. So let's go open it. Alright, right here. So, as the cockpit, the door and the American logo and the windows, and the engine, the wing, no winglet, the door and the American flag, and the door and the logo of American Airlines, and then the top, the bottom, and the side, front, and then back. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And give me some comments down below of the video if you really like this video, or comment down if you want me to make some more Infinite Flight videos. Just comment. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.